Welcome to Artificial Professor. And in this video I will explain how to post a job on Upwork. So here is the homepage of Upwork. So from here, tap on this option, Post a Job. And the first thing is, you need to write the title for your job, which you want from a freelancer to make, like YouTube videos, or Instagram, or TikTok. But for me, I want a video editor who can make YouTube short videos. So that's why I'm writing my title for YouTube Shorts. So after writing the title, tap on this option Next Skills, which is at the right bottom. And here is the option Search Skills, or add your own. So I want a freelancer who is good in video editing software, like the software Premiere Pro and After Effects. These are the tag, so you can select as much as you want, like video editing because the job is for video editing. So after selecting the tag, tap on this option Next Scope. So here is the option. Estimate the scope of your work. Large, medium, small. You can set it according to your own project, but like my project is about YouTube short videos. So it's a small projects, and that's what I'm taping on this small, and here is option, duration. Its duration of your project means it's up to 6 months, or 1 to 3 months, or less than 1 month. So also selected it by your own. But my project is less than 1 month, so simply tap on this option, and here is the experience level like entry, intermediate, or expert. Entry means which are new Upwork, and immediate means which are currently working with Upwork, and expert means which are expert in Upwork, and also in their work. So select one of these, then you also need to manage the budget, because expert level will be cost higher, and intermediate will be cost less than expert, and the entry level will cost much lower than the expert, because my project too simple, that's why I'm selecting entry level. And here is option. Yes, this will become full-time, and the second one is no, not at this time. So my job is less than 1 month, that's why it can't be a full-time job. And tap on this option Next Budget, which is at the right bottom. And the fourth one is, hire the freelancer on hourly rate, or on the fixed price. So choose here, means you want to pay by hour, or you want to pay by fixed price. If you will choose hourly, then you need to spend, minimum $3, and if the freelancer spend 2 hours, then the rate will be double automatically. But I always prefer the fixed price, tap on this one, and select the budget. The minimum budget for fixed price is $5, so therefore I pay $5. After this, the last option is description of the project. So which is the right bottom? Tap on this one. And here is the description. You need to write the description for minimum 50 characters. So write the description carefully. So after writing the job description, you can also put the link after reference video, in this. If you choose is from Instagram, so go to Instagram, and copy the link of the video, and paste here, but my video is from YouTube. So that's I'm going to YouTube. And I will copy the link of my video. So here's the YouTube. Like I want the short videos. That's why I am typing on shorts. For an example, I want this kind of editing, because it's too simple. Tap on this share icon. And copy link, and go back to the description and paste here. So after this tap on Review Job Post. So here is the last option, Edit Job Post. If you want to change something in your post, then simply tap on this Edit Your Post. But if you want to post then, simply tap on this option. Post your job. When you will tap on this one, Post your job. Your job will be posted on Upwork, and the freelancer will send you a proposal. And by seeing the proposal, you can select the freelancer you like the most with his previous work. So it was a basic way by which you can post a job on Upwork. I hope this video was helpful. If this video was helpful, please like, subscribe, and see you in the next video of Artificial Professor.